Have you ever wondered how full-stack development can help you build wealth? Full-stack development is the mastery of both front-end and back-end programming, an essential toolkit in our digital age. With businesses increasingly requiring the diverse skills of full-stack developers, opportunities are ripe and rewarding. Imagine being the orchestra conductor, skillfully leading every instrument to create a harmonious symphony. That's the power of a full-stack developer. Indeed, becoming a full-stack developer is like acquiring a golden ticket to the world of wealth. So, how does one embark on this journey to wealth through full-stack development? First off, acquiring the necessary skills is paramount. This involves learning multiple programming languages, understanding databases, mastering front-end and back-end development, and gaining a solid grasp on design principles. This might sound like a mouthful, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. After you've armed yourself with these skills, it's time to gain some real-world experience. Look for internships or entry-level positions that allow you to put your knowledge into action. This is where your journey really begins. Now comes the exciting part, landing a job. With the tech industry booming, full-stack developers are in high demand. This means promising job prospects and the potential for a generous salary. But the journey doesn't end here. The world of tech is ever evolving, and continuous learning is key. With dedication and a drive to keep up with the latest trends, a full-stack developer can steadily climb the wealth ladder. Let's quickly summarize what we've discussed so far. Full-stack development, an all-encompassing role that combines front and back-end coding, offers an enticing path to wealth creation. It's a journey that requires dedication, mastering diverse programming languages and frameworks, but the financial rewards are substantial. As a full-stack developer, you're not just creating web applications, you're also building your own fiscal fortress. Remember, with full-stack development, you're not just building apps and websites, you're building your wealth.